All right, you guys, you made it. This is our last week of online learning. And this week we're still looking at piecewise functions, but we're looking at a very specific kind. We're looking at what we call step functions. And there are two types of step functions we're going to be looking at, and your job is going to be to determine the difference between them. One is called a floor function and a ceiling function. Okay, so we've got step functions, floor, or ceiling. So the module's set up a little bit different this week. So we wanted to make it a little less intense. It's got a lot of parts to it, but the parts won't take you that long. Two big changes to this week's module. The first is that after there's like the introductory page where you'll do some reading. After that, there's a warm-up, and the warm-up is 3 questions. It looks like a quiz, but it's not graded. And what it is you'll read a question and then there's a graph, and you'll be able to kind of move things around on the graph to see if you can figure out the answers. Okay, again, not graded, but I really want you, when you look at this this warm-up, to really think about what's going on in these functions, because it's going to show you the difference between a floor function and a ceiling function and get you to understand exactly what a step function is. And then after that, you'll have your discussion and then the lesson. And the second change is, in this lesson, it's not our typical video capture sheet practice type thing. So there is no extra on your own problems or practice. You do have a video, but it's not me. It's a video I borrowed from somebody else. And there's going to be some reading. When you do this video, you're going to need to really look at the graphs, really try to think about what's going on in that video, and understand the difference between floor and ceiling functions. And then after that's a quiz. It's 7 questions. You can take it as many times as you need to. And then the last thing, the wrap up, is just something for you to read that kind of sums up everything we've done. So we will be doing our weekly check-in on Wednesday, our optional check-in, if you have any questions or need any help with anything. Again, this is our last week, so please reach out to me at least through email or something. I miss you guys, and I'd love to hear from you one last time before the end of the year. You guys have been awesome, and good luck this week.